Today in this video, I'm going to show how to install Brio in your MacBook. So I want to tell you what is Homebrew. Homebrew is a popular package manager for Mac OS and Linux. It lets you easily install, update, and manage a software from the command line without downloading installer manually. I will show you how we can install Brio. Simply, I will type Homebrew here. It will go to official site brio.sh. Simply, I will copy this command and my search icon will type terminal, will open the terminal. Let me maximize this and will paste this command here by using command V. Then enter. So here it is asking for my Mac password. I will provide my password here. Install this software. So it is installing in this folder, opt, homebrew, bin, then brio. I'm just clicking on enter from keyboard. So now it is downloading and installing homebrew in my machine. Okay, it's done. So here I will show you how we can set homebrew path in our machine, right? So what we'll do, I will go home directory, simple pwd command. So we can use Linux, basic Linux command for Mac terminal as well. So I will check hidden file here by using this command ls-al. So we'll for setting the path, we'll create one hidden file .shrc and there we'll export the path, homebrew path. So we'll copy this path. Let me copy this path till bin and will open the file will create new file by using vi command .sh .zshrc. .zshrc and simple will insert I command to insert the text here. We'll just press I button from our keyboard to insert the text here. Now we'll insert the text here like export path is equal to double quotes start, then colon, then dollar, then path. So it will set the path here. Mind it will not provide any space after path and equal, between equal, and here's same way here as well. Now we'll press escape from our keyboard and then W command for saving this file with the content. Now we'll check whether it has been created or not by using cat command. We'll check this file zshrc. So uh, the file has been created and the content has been written in this file. Now we'll source this hidden file by using source commands. It is basically uh, we can check, we can use the commands related to that path here. So we will source the file rather than opening new terminal. We can use this terminal as well. So simply I will source this file by using this command. Don't worry guys, I will provide all the command there in a description box. ZSHRC, then enter. Now we'll check whether Brio has been installed or not. Brio hyphen installed and path has been set successfully hyphen B. So now you can see this has been set. Now by using Brio, I will install one software. So we'll go to here. Let's suppose I want to install Git. Then we'll type Git it will show the command, simple command here. Go to the terminal and command V, paste this and enter. So it will install Git in by using Brio in my machine. Press Y from keyboard. Okay. Now we'll check Git version, Git hyphen V. Let me check this pwd. Now open this vi, hidden file vi dot sh z sh rc. Enter. Okay. WQ. Q. Then we'll source this again. Okay. So the Git has been installed, but I installed VS Code. So this is not the path. Uh, Git has been installed using Brio. It is reflecting for VS Code. So I'm trying to set the path for Brio. Okay, Brio, which will show the Git version. And so let me check Git hyphen V. Okay, now it is reflecting. After sourcing this again, it is reflecting uh, Git version, what has been installed using Brio. So thank you guys. I have explained here how what is Brio, how we install Brio, and by using Brio, how we install any software in our Mac OS. Thank you for watching my video. We'll come up with new video.